Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I give you energy demonstration number 2. We're going to be doing the Alka Seltzer pop. And for this, we're going to be using half a tablet of Alka Seltzer. Okay, so the first question is, what form of energy is represented by the Alka Seltzer, or is the Alka Seltzer? Well, we know that its energy gets released when it's added to water. So obviously, this must be some form of chemical energy that gets released when added to water. So I'm going to give it just a little bit of water here. So that's our form of potential energy. We've got chemical potential energy. Now the question is, how many different types of energy can be observed once these two are put together and we do the entire experiment? Let's see if you can name them all as it happens. Ooh, making us nervous. I see bubbles. Ooh, quite a little energy release there, absolutely. I'll get this one out in case I want to repeat it. So, you should have seen a couple of different energies being released. Did this thing stay in the same spot? No, it did not. We've got the chemical energy of motion. But was it silent when it happened? I think not. So you should have the kinetic energy of sound as well. But as it moved upwards, it should have gained, because it's height above the ground, it should have gained gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. And once it got to its highest type, that gravitational potential energy turned back into the kinetic energy of it falling downwards. So we had a couple of different energies there. Let's repeat it one time and see if you can find all the energies as they occur. Drop them right in. All the energies. So chemical energy is turning into the fizzing, which is building up pressure. That's a type of kinetic energy in the bubbles right there by turning it into gas. That kinetic energy is going to turn the kinetic energy of the film canister, which also released sound energy as they broke apart. Then we had gravitational potential energy created, work being done by the movement of the film canister, and finally it fell back and created the kinetic energy of the fall, or gravitational kinetic energy as it fell.